Hi, and welcome to BoothCentral. We are thrilled that you will be participating in a live virtual event as a booth host. Today, we are going to go over some tips and tricks to make sure you have a successful event. The first thing you're going to want to do is log in to your booth host account using your login credentials. Then, find the event that you are participating in and click View Event. If the event was upcoming, you would see a countdown clock at the top of the page. Since this event is live, I'm going to click Vendors Enter Now. If your event organizer chose to have one, you may see a video at the top of the live event page. You can pause that using the pause button, and you can also control it with some of the tools on the right. You can also participate in the live text chat if the event organizer chose to have one. When you scroll down the page, you will see all of the different booths. When you find your booth, click Enter Booth. From there, you'll be inside your booth. You can minimize the live stream and start your video chat. You just have to give the permissions and you'll be ready to go. Inside your video chat, you'll see that you can turn off your camera, as well as mute and unmute your microphone. You can even record inside your booth and share your screen. Under the More settings, you'll see camera and microphone settings, as well as Shh mode. At the very top of your video chat, you'll see a person icon. Here is where you can see who is participating, and you can hang up or even ban users if necessary. You can always use the text chat to communicate with your attendees. This is great because you can use the text chat even when you are not inside the video chat, as shown here. When you're ready to exit your booth, you can click back to the main event page in the upper left-hand corner. If you have any questions for us, feel free to reach out to the customer success team inside the help chat located on the bottom left corner of your screen. As you prepare for your live virtual event, we have a few last tips and tricks. We do not recommend using Internet Explorer or Edge. Instead, use Chrome. If you happen to be using an iPhone, we recommend using Safari. And for a quick fix, you can always switch devices if you have one available to you. Thank you so much, and we look forward to your live virtual event.